Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to turn off Dropbox Sync on your mobile device. Whether you want to stop automatic uploads, save storage space, or simply take a break from syncing your files, this quick guide has you covered. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Dropbox app. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom or top corner of the screen. Depending on your device, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on that to open your personal account menu. Next, you'll want to find the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. Go ahead and tap on it to open your Dropbox settings. This is where all the app's syncing controls are located. Once you're in the settings menu, look for an option labeled Sync or Camera Uploads. These are the features responsible for automatically syncing your photos and files to your Dropbox account. If you don't see both, that's okay. Just choose the one that appears on your screen. Now tap on Turn Off or toggle the switch next to Sync or Camera Uploads. When you do this, Dropbox will immediately stop uploading new photos and syncing recent files from your device. You can turn these features back on anytime by following the same steps and switching them back to on. And just like that, you've successfully turned off Dropbox Sync on your mobile. This simple change helps keep more control over what gets uploaded and saves mobile data in the process. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who might be dealing with auto sync issues. And if you want to stay up to date with practical tech tips just like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.